Hi guys, Fabiana here from Creative Swimwear, and today I'm gonna show you how to sew this applique on top of any crochet piece you have there. In my case it's gonna be on this crochet bikini I made before. I'll put the link on the description below for this micro G-string bikini. If you like it, you can make it. It's there. So I'm going to apply it here, okay? And so I have a few of them. I was just playing around with appliques. I'm gonna put this online soon as well, the tutorial, and I have this one as well. So this way you can sew the same way for every single one of them, okay? This another daisy here that it's all on the playlist, on my appliques playlist, so you can add them on your crochet tops, or even if you have a lycra top, this lycra here, you can apply crochet applique on top and just change it, you know. You can even apply on your crochet or in your lycra bikinis or anywhere you want, really. There's a lot of people using them for the next summer now. So I did a few of them, and now I'm gonna show you how I sew them on the top. Okay, there is another option, which is glue it. Okay, I wouldn't glue on the lycra because I just tried on a piece of lycra I had here before, and it gets really like hard. You can't really stretch it anymore, so this glue makes it hard unless you have another type of glue, I don't know. But I tried this one and it doesn't really work for lycra. But what you can do, you know, if you're in a hurry and you don't want to deal with any sewing, you can do this way, just glue it, okay? What I did before was I glued just the middle of it on the right position where I want it to be, because then it's just a little bit of glue, okay? And just put the flower where you want it to be, and let it rest for a few minutes until the glue is dry. And then after that we are going to sew it with a thin needle and thread. I'm using the same color of the flower, okay? And so what you do is you go behind your work like this, and you sort of have a look here where starting point. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to sew all the middle here, and then I'm going to do petal by petal. So here I can start here, okay? So put the needle through here, but I'm actually just gonna make a knot first, and also make sure you on the right size of your crochet piece always, okay? What is the right side? Not the right size, the right side. What's the right side? See here how I can see all these chains are facing my way, all the stitches are facing my way. That's the right side of your crochet. So here, after I done this little knot, I'm gonna put it all the way to the front here in the white part of my bikini, okay? You don't want to stitch with the white thread on the yellow part of it. And then I'm gonna go up and down like this around the middle, And what I do is I avoid going all the way to the other side, so I just kind of put my needle through the middle of the purple stitches on the bottom here, so you can't even see the needle. So this way you have a really clean stitching and a clean bag, or a clean project. You know, I call this way, but you know, it's just you don't have like any signs of a thread on the back. Okay, and so every time you just sort of go like this way you avoid going all the way to the back of this bikini, and stitch the center of your flower this way. Okay, so I'm going to finish all the way around here, and then when I get to where I started, I'm gonna start sewing stitching the petals. Okay, so here I got to where I started the first, and I'm gonna start stitching the first petal here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go that way there with my needle, and then I'm going to stitch here one by one. So I'm gonna go inside this one and then around underneath to that second one, always just going through the middle of the crochet. Okay, and then down again in this next stitch here, and in between the purple stitches and up in that other one. You don't need to do one by one, okay? I'm kind of jumping, going down one here, and then I'm jumping one on the back, this one, and I'm going to go through the next one, just so the very top of it's fixed. Okay, and then going down, and then skip one there, and that's the way you do it. Okay, so I'm going to do all around this flower. So I sew all around every single one of the petals, and as you can see on the back, you can't really tell that I even did it. Okay, you can only see the knot, the first knot here that we're gonna cut later. Okay, and here I'm on the last one, and so make sure you always make a few stitches right on the top of each petal here, so they don't, you know, they sit flat on the work. And then so here I finished my last one, and I'm going to go all the way down this time and kind of finish where I started there with a little knot. I just make a few knots just like this, and then your flower is fixed. And then one more right on top of that one. So okay, after you finish, just make a few knots. Okay, and then wave the thread inside that crochet and cut them both here. As you can see, it's really easy. Okay, with the glue if you try the glue, okay, it's gonna make your bikini hard. I can tell already here. That's where I put the glue before. It's a bit hard, so I don't know if I haven't tried yet. Okay, maybe after washing it gets a bit more soft, so I'll do that and then I'll let you know in the shorts what I thought about it. Okay, but that's it, guys. That's our flower here. It only takes really, it takes you 5 minutes, you know, and it's not gonna come out. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you place a flower on your bikini, and you can do that with any swimwear you have, if a hat or a bag or a handbag or a wallet. You can use this same type of stitching in any project you have. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.